my hair is against the wind. How cool is that? Ayan guys, dito na lang tayo. There you go. Nanababakabalen, welcome to Pampanga. Guys, for today's video, gusto po namin i-share sa inyo ang isang hotel sa San Fernando, Pampanga na fit para sa mga vacationers, even yung mga tourists that are coming to San Fernando, Pampanga, as well as family na gustong mag-staycation. Guys, kasama ko ang family ko ngayon and we're gonna stay sa MICROTEL by WYNDHAM, Pampanga. Samahan nyo ako. Let's go!
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to MICROTEL Pampanga.
Hello, sir. Those are our friendly security team. Ayan, so pagpasok nyo dito, guys, you'll be greeted with, of course, the front desk, the lobby, as well as yung parang dining area na rin during the morning if you want your breakfast to be here. I'm with my family, sabi ko sa inyo. Hi guys, what's up?
Hello.
What is that?
Dancing. It's dancing.
Okay, so yun guys, settle lang natin yung rooms natin. Hello ma'am.
Hi sir, welcome to MICROTEL Pampanga. Here sir, room assignment, you will be staying at the 3rd floor and this is for your Wi-Fi code. It is good for 3 devices. And whenever you use the elevator, you need to tap the key then press 3.
Thank you very much ma'am. Nice, so we got our keys. Thank you so much. Meat water tolerant. Lagyan mo na ang bags. Oh, sige po. Hello. Nice. This is us. Go kids, go kids.
Thank you sir.
Thank you.
No way. I like it.
Wow.
Pero don't touch it yet, just picture it, okay?
That.
So welcome.
Sige sir, ganyan na pa ako. Yan, thank you. Boss, thank you. Yan, last one. Thank you. Thank you.
Sa tingin ko, pag nanonood mo ng TV,
We're gonna stay. We're gonna sleep.
Hindi ko alam.
Saan? Pero saan ang parang gusto mo? Ito parang pang kids talaga, no? Meron tayong bunk bed na. Ayan. Double deck. This is the main bed. So this is queen size. Fit for 2. And then meron din siyang, what do you call this, mommy?
window bed na muna.
Window bed. Window bed daw siya, guys. Ayan. And then here, ayun. So there is the swimming pool. Medyo umuulan-ulan pa. Pero that's okay. Later on, syempre guys, we're gonna enjoy all the amenities. Dito sa MICROTEL. How about you, Luis? Nice. A view of the hotel during the evening. Actually, it's around 6:30 to 7 p.m. ngayon. And good thing, medyo naging maaliwalas yung panahon natin para makita naman yung facade. Very lovely facade. Napakaganda. Ayan, no? Ganda. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa kanilang tinatawag na Sunset Garden. This is actually an open lawn area. Currently, meron tayong badminton court as of now. Pero according to our orientation, with the management. You can actually rent this for your event, a family occasion, no, birthday, baptism, even wedding, no, mga garden wedding. You can actually use this. And pansin nyo naman, napaka-perfect nito guys. Napakaganda niya. This can accommodate up until 150 person. Arrangement nyo na lang guys. Your imagination will be your design. Hi, Mami. Love you too. So dito guys, dahil si MICROTEL is located sa complex ng LausGroup, marami ring mga puntahan dito, lalo na sa mga sasakyan. And sa mga foodies, yan, meron din tayong mga options dito. May Densios, Pancake House, at saka coffee. Yan, may coffee shop din dito. So try natin tong Densios. Dito tayo kakain. Morning, baby. So, yung accommodation natin dito sa MICROTEL includes breakfast, which is brought to us by Pancake House. What are you having, baby? Pandesal, pancake, and cereals? Nice. Oh, may coffee din pala. Right. Coffee all you can.
Yeah. Deliver.
Sure.
And we have a gift for you.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.